I'm not sure if it's good morning to you or good afternoon to you whenever you're watching this video. It is week 11. It's actually before 7 in the morning here at BF Grady. And anyway, hope you're having a great day. We're going to look at percent proportions a little bit more this week. We're going to do that today, and then we're going to move into tax. I've told you before that there's lots of different ways to solve math problems that are mathematically sound. And as long as it's a mathematically sound way, I don't have a problem with it. You don't have to do it the exact way I do it, as long as it is mathematically correct. Tax is no exception. There's a lot of different ways to do tax. We're going to start out with proportions, solving tax using proportions, and then I'm going to show you kind of like a shortcut way, I guess, to solve tax. But we're going to look at it both ways, and hopefully the first way we do it will help you better understand the second way we do it. So we're going to be doing percent proportions, and then the rest of the week will be tax. And then the next week we'll move into discount, but we'll be on tax for a while because there's right many integrated questions on tax. Plus, tax is something that all of us have to encounter or use on a daily basis. We're going to have to pay taxes. A lot of people say the only thing that's a guaranteed is that you're going to live, die, and pay taxes. So anyway, we are going to pay taxes, so we do need to know how to compute those tax amounts. So anyway, hope you have a great week. Remember, if you need me, reach out to me. I will hopefully see you soon.